Everybody, just want to do a quick video of one of our new products called Dynamic Sets. Essentially, it's a map-based tool where we're able to pull in all sorts of data from Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com, being able to pull in up to 5,000 listings and narrow it down by just hitting certain filters. Say the house, 3 bedrooms, and you can go through all these types of filters to really get a very specific set of listings, which you can then review on this left panel, hit the view OTA to visit the actual Airbnb listing, look at the metrics, sort it any way that you'd like. And once we have selected and reviewed certain listings, we can add these to set. And once you've created and added them to set, this is what it would look like. You get this overview page where you're able to review the top metrics, booking pace, a individual and aggregated view as long as we're under 25 listings, where we could really dive deep into a calendar-based data of how they're booking, how they're blocked, and even look at more of an aggregated and historical way of their past bookings per month and see graphs and trends. This overview page has a booking pace, which can be translated onto our performance page, where you could do a side-by-side comparison between sets that you've created or against your own portfolio, and be able to make inferences to better help you with either underwriting, acquisitions, and even be able to provide owner reports of how you're doing against a competitor. Hope this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.